Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling cellular data and entering the personal hotspot pane. This gives your iPhone a shareable network. Once done, set a secure Wi-Fi password so other devices must authenticate. Make sure the network name is recognizable. You'll use it when connecting laptops or tablets. You can also prepare a USB cable or pair via Bluetooth for lower latency or battery savings. These first actions let other devices see and request access. Do them now so connections proceed smoothly. Now connect your client device. Choose Wi-Fi for simplicity, USB for the most reliable link, or Bluetooth when conserving battery. On the device, pick your iPhone's SSID and enter the password you created. This authenticates and creates the tunnel for internet. While connected, watch the data meter under Settings Cellular because tethering uses your cellular plan. If you expect heavy downloads, use USB and charge simultaneously. This reduces power drain and keeps speed steadier. Once connected, to finish, disconnect clients and switch personal hotspot off to conserve battery and close access. If a device won't connect, first toggle personal hotspot off and on, then restart both devices. This clears temporary network states. Make sure Bluetooth is paired correctly for that method, or try USB if Wi-Fi is flaky. Also verify your carrier plan allows tethering and that iOS is up to date, because provider settings and software updates often fix hotspot reliability and authentication problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.